Good morning, ma'am. Zigbee. Zigbee is a wireless technology which works on IoT network. That means Zigbee is a wireless technology which is generally used in home automation system. My name is Gaurav Patidar and I am from MCA 9th semester from International Institute of Professional Studies DABB Indore. Today I am here to explain you about the topic Zigbee. So let's head towards what is Zigbee. Zigbee is a wireless technology which is developed as an open global standard to address the unique need of low cost, low power and wireless IoT networks. The Zigbee standard, which is depends on IEEE 802.15. There are generally 4 physical radio specifications and operates in unlicensed band including 2.4 GHz, 900 GHz and 868 MHz. Now let's understand why we use Zigbee, means why Zigbee introduced. So here is the screen. Generally Zigbee was established or particularly settled at 3.0 version. That means Zigbee protocol generalized on 3.0 protocol. It is designed to communicate data through noisy RF environments. Means if there is an environment where noise cancellation is not there, so we can use wireless technology to access our home automations or like Wi-Fi, our door, our bulb, like that. Version 3.0 built on existing Zigbee standard but unifies the market specification application profiles to allow all devices to be wirelessly connected in the same network. That means if devices are connected together, they should be in same network irrespective of their market designation and function. That means there should be differentiation in all the devices. Furthermore, Zigbee 3.0 certification scheme ensures that interoperability of product from different manufacturer. There must be multiple manufacturer like Amazon or Google, but connectivity should be same. Connecting Zigbee 3.0 network to IP domain opens up monitoring and control from devices such as smartphone, tablets, LAN, WAN, internet, ethernet or likewise much more. Now how does Zigbee technology work? How it actually works? Zigbee technology works with digital radios by allowing different devices to converse through one another. That means it uses radio waves to connect with each other like Wi-Fi. The devices used in the network are routers, coordinators or many more devices which also includes in this. The main function of this device is to deliver the instruction and message from the coordinator to single end device such as light bulb or Wi-Fi, door or security system such as lock and all. Now let's understand what is features of Zigbee protocol. Here are certain features of Zigbee protocol. First, its frequency range is 2.4 gigahertz frequency range, and it took only 3 seconds to join a network. Means if there is multiple devices and they all want to connect, it just takes 3 or 4 seconds to connect with each other. Zigbee cover around 100 meter of radio signal. Means if devices are in range of 100 meter, they will still be connected. Here are some more points. Means a device can be connected to point or multi-point such as mesh network. Generally, Zigbee provides long battery life, low latency, and DSSS protocols, and there are 65,000 devices can be connected in using Zigbee protocol. Now there are very less chances of collision, and after getting acknowledgement data will be sent. That means this network are private network. Now we have stack of Zigbee protocol. Stack means how Zigbee actually work. Here we have stack on your screen. The Zigbee 3.0 software stack incorporate a base device. That means a basic device which is generally used to connect all the devices. That provides consistent behavior for commissioning nodes into a network, means transforming a nodes into a network. A common set of commissioning methods is provided, including touch link, a method of proximity or commissioning. Here we have stack like business application. So if we want to connect Zigbee in business application, we want device, we want base device, we want APS layers. APS layers includes pro level of all the devices, means that have device must have Wi-Fi, it must have wireless network, it must transmit radio signals. Then we will go through network layer and send our data, then through MAC layer and physical layer, and finally receiver will get data. Receiver like bulb or some security purposes like that. Now Zigbee provide two methods of security, means using Zigbee we can have two methods for security. First one centralized security and second one distributed security. Centralized security, as name suggests, this method employs a coordinator trust center that form the network and manages the allocation of network and link security key to joining nodes. Centralized security, as name suggests, such as all the devices is connected to a central hub, and that hub will monitor all the devices and secure all the devices. If lock is connected to that central hub, if any problem occur, that central hub will be responsible for that. Next one is distributed security. That means, as name suggests, that security breaches are distributed to all the devices which are connected in that particular network. This method has no coordinator, no trust centers, and is formed by a router, just router. Any Zigbee router node can be subsequently provide the network key to joining nodes. Now there are a key component of Zigbee protocol, that is mesh networking. As all know, mesh networking means connecting of multiple devices to a network in the form of mesh is called mesh networking. This is the key component of Zigbee. It is an ability to support mesh networking. In a mesh network, nodes are interconnected with other nodes so that multiple pathways connect each node. Connection between nodes are dynamically updated and optimized through sophisticated built-in mesh routing table. That means their connectivity will be automatically handled by not handled by router. It is handled by routing table. Correct. Now what are the applications of Zigbee? Here are some applications. Generally Zigbee enable broad-based deployment of wireless network with low cost, low power solutions. It provides the ability to run for years on inexpensive battery for a host of monitoring and control application. That means if we install all the devices once, it will run for many years. There is no any problem in that. Some application includes smart energy and smart grids, like we have Octopad, so we can also connect that Octopad to our Zigbee and command it so that it will work. AMR, automatic meter reading, like if we are walking and we have a wristwatch, so the meter reading it is taking is just on the basis of Wi-Fi connectivity, like iPhone, iWatch, Amazon Watch, and like that. Lighting controls, as you all know, lighting controls means bulb which are established uh, in our homes. That also be uh, controlled by Zigbee. Yeah. Building automation system. It includes locking, security breaches, and some door locking, window mirrors, and all. Wi-Fi networks. We will go into it. Tank monitoring means if we have water tank on our building, so it will alarm. It will give an alarm that tank is full, like that. HVAC control, medical devices. Yeah, there are many medical devices which are based on Zigbee protocol, like machine, heartbeat tracking machine, or walk tracking machine, that are generally based on Zigbee protocol. Fleet application generally based on car automobiles, means if there is any problem, so it will detect and show us using Bluetooth connectivity. Generally Zigbee is likewise of that. Here is an example of a building automation system. Here, you can see that security, motion sensors, door control, HVAC control, energy management. Now, what devices uses Zigbee? Means Zigbee is used by which devices? Let's mm, go on. Yes, Belkin Vimo, Samsung smart things like Samsung watch, Samsung phones. Some Samsung phones, right, Samsung Edge, which have radio wave transmitter, which can be easily connected to AC or bulb to control that one. Yell smart locks. Yeah, many of you have seen. Philips UI, thermostat from Honeywell. Yeah, Ecate free. Security system from Boss. Many more. We have from Amazon too. Yeah, Amazon Eco Plus, and one more, Amazon Echo Show. Yeah. Now heading toward conclusion. Zigbee. Uh, so Zigbee is a wireless technology which works on IoT network, which is generally used on home automation system. The Zigbee standard enables the broad-based development of reliable wireless network with low complexity, low cost, high reliability, high durability, and provides the ability for product to run for years and inexpensive primary batteries. Thank you.